Hello everyone! In this video we will talk about search engine optimization, also known as SEO. Let's begin by uploading our favicon. Go to Settings, then Favicon, and click on the pencil icon to upload your desired icon. This icon will be used in the browser tabs, bookmarks, and search results. Next, let's go to Settings, then Pages. In the new pop-up, switch to the SEO tab. Here we can edit the page title. Let's extend ours a bit. Right below it, we can add an SEO-friendly description. Allow me to paste mine. Below the description, we can add keywords that also help the SEO. On the left side, we can upload an image. It will appear in URL previews on social media platforms and chats. Below it, you can preview the changes in search results, browsers, and social networks. This wraps up our video on SEO. Let's publish the website to ensure the changes are live. Thanks for watching. See you in our next videos.